Another product that we wanted to showcase with the Smart Energy Home of the future in regards to efficiency is the hybrid heat pump water heater. So this brand in particular is a Rheem. It is going to use typically $100 annually, where the traditional water heater is going to use anywhere from $400 to $500. So you could say that it's 4 times more efficient than the traditional electric water heater. One thing to consider is noise. This water heater is about as loud as a dishwasher, so I would really take in consideration of avoiding any living space. Here we are fortunate and able to put it in the attic in a well-insulated area.